The Christoffel symbols of the second kind. Okay. The NQ functions the NQ functions gamma jk superscript I are the Christoffel symbols of the second kind. Okay. So it is very much obvious that to calculate Christoffel symbol of second kind we require first kind of, because this is first kind. Okay, this is first kind. So for to calculate second order we require first kind. Okay. Example, calculate the Christoffel symbols of the second kind for the Euclidean metric in polar coordinates. Okay. So Euclidean metric in a polar coordinate is this. Where x1 is non-zero. Okay. Solution. Okay. You can calculate what will be you can calculate for this Christoffel symbols of first kind will be this one. This will come this gamma 1 2 1 will be gamma 2 1 1 equal to 1 by 2. This will be also 0. You can calculate. In last class I have calculated first kind, how to calculate. So I am not calculating here. So 1 that is going to be minus x1. Okay. 1 1 2 will be 0. Gamma 1 2 2 gamma 2 1 2. This is also going to be 1 x1. Gamma 2 2 2. It is going to be 0. Okay. Now we have to calculate second order. So because I need this kind of G inverse will be of this form G I J. So I require inverse. So what is G inverse? G inverse will be, after calculating you will get this much minus 2. This is the inverse. Okay. Okay. So when you will calculate second order, so what is the meaning of this? So I am going to calculate second order. So GIR gamma JKR. So what is the meaning? I am to take Einstein summation over. What is the meaning of this? I am taking summation over R is equal to 1 to 2 because n is 3 here. GIR, gamma JKR. This is the meaning in definition. What is the meaning of this in terms of Einstein? This is the meaning. So in this way, what you will get in this way, we get what we get if you calculate all these things. So what is from here? What is G11 is 0, G12 is 0, G21 is 0, and G22, what is this? X1 minus power 2. Okay, in this way what we will get? We will get gamma 221 value will be minus X1. Gamma JK1 will be 0 otherwise. When J or K value is 2, that is minus 1 x to the power 1, sorry, minus X1, rest it is 0. Okay, and so this is for I is equal to 1. And what is I is equal to 2? What we will get? Gamma 1 2 value will be gamma 212 will be this will be X1 inverse, and what will be gamma JK value, JK2 value otherwise. You put 1 2 in place of IJK, other than 1 2 you will get 0 value. You can check it. Okay, it is easy to get. Put all these value, take like summation over R, you know, I small gj like that, you will get these many values. Okay, so we have computed. Okay, so what are the basic property of properties of gamma IJK carry over to second symbols of Christopher transformation. What are these? First, you note that gamma JKI is equal to gamma I KJ. Symmetry in the lower indices. Second is all gamma JKI vanish if all all Gij are constant. Okay, all constant. Okay, so next is transforming law. What is this? We know what is meaning of this in other coordinate system. What will be of this form? Okay, so what is this? How to write this? This is covariant tensor, na? Metric tensor. So what will be this? Sorry, contravariant tensor. Okay, in place of this we have put in this much. Okay, so in last class I have calculated the value of substituting the value of gamma j k r, value of, what is the value of this j k r? What is, in last class I have calculated this much. What was this? Gamma u v w x mu u x to the power j x v x power k x w x to the power r, okay, plus g u v, what is this? Del to u, sorry, x u upon del x bar j del x bar k del x b del x r. We need to substitute this value here. Okay, we get what we get after substituting this value here. Gamma j k bar I equal to g s t s bar x r bar x t, okay. So substituting this value t u v w plus g s t x bar I x s x r x t g u v del to x u upon x bar j x k bar del x b upon x r. Okay, after solving this part you will get this much g s t t gamma u v w delta Kronecker delta function will become here del x bar I del x s del x u, okay, x bar j x v x bar k, and after solving this you will get this much g s t g u v delta t v x bar I upon x s del to x x u u del x bar j x bar k, okay. So this is Kronecker delta. In place of w we can put t, then what will get g s t, okay, gamma u v t x bar I s x u x bar j x v x bar k plus GST GUT, and we know that, sorry, GUT Kronecker delta V is equal to T, we can put, so this is x bar I delta SS delta U x U x bar J x bar K. Okay, please note up to this. Now, since GST gamma UVT, what is this? This is gamma UVS. Okay, and GST GUT is equal to delta US, Kronecker delta function. Okay, after changing indices and after changing indices, when we substitute something, we change indices also. Changing indices, the above becomes, above means this part, the above becomes okay, the above becomes what it becomes, gamma JK bar I is equal to gamma ST R del bar I del XR del XS del X bar J del XT del X bar K plus del 2XR del X bar J del X bar K del X bar I del XR. Let's say it double. Okay, the transformation law second shows that like gamma I J K Christoffel symbol of first kind, the symbols gamma JKI is merely an affine tensor. This is not exact tensor. This formula tells us this is the Christoffel symbol of second kind also are not of second. This is not a tensor. This is affine tensor. So being a tensor, this part has to be 0. Okay. Being tensor, this part has to be 0. This is not 0. That is why it is affine tensor. This is not exact 0. Okay. So by this we will derive an important formula. Okay. So an important formula. What is that? Changing the indices. Changing the indices I to S, J to I and K to J, we get the important formula from double star. You can check. We get what the formula we get. We will get this formula del to x r del x bar I del x bar j is equal to gamma bar s I j del x r del x bar s minus gamma s t r s t r, this is r del s s x bar I del x t del x bar j. This is third. I am calling this third. So this is important. We will use this formula later on.